line of defense in managing residential chipmunk problems is to try and exclude the animals from important or sensitive areas. People who live in a wooded area with big trees or feed birds during the summer may find that exclusion is the cheapest method of managing chipmunk problems in the long run. Now, hardware cloth, a 1/4-inch hardware cloth, is by far the best exclusion material available. The chipmunks cannot chew through this, and if they want to, they would have to dig under it in order to get out. So this is the material that I recommend that you use around sidewalks, patios, and decks to keep chipmunks away and out of those areas. Now, to be effective, these must be buried a good 6 to 12 inches under the ground. So with that, we need to cut this about here.